I'm Carter Craft with Craft Customs, and I wasn't going to do a video on this steering wheel, but I just couldn't help myself. You can take a look at it. I don't even have to tell you what all's wrong with it. This is an old 1970 Cadillac DeVille. So it's 55 years old and it is just very cracked up. We've got cracks around the back, several different places, and the entire front is missing all of its. It has a wood grain insert that goes around here and a chrome insert that goes around this front. So you can see the chopped up chrome that's left and chunks of the wood section that are left, if you even want to call it chunks. But we're going to make this steering wheel look brand new again. So we're going to go in and completely remold this steering wheel from the metal up, and then we will refinish it, putting the wood grain and chrome inserts back onto it and finish it out gorgeous like it was when it was brand new, the way it should be. So we'll give you a finished look here and show you what it looks like after we transform it. Now that is one gorgeous 1970 Cadillac DeVille steering wheel, completely restored back to factory original. As you see from the before videos that you just watched in the pictures, this thing was a wreck when it got here. We then stripped it down completely to the metal core and remolded the entire steering wheel. Then we resurfaced it, put the wood grain and chrome inserts back onto it, and then finished it off with a high gloss clear that is really going to set his interior apart. So you get one of these old Cadillacs, and we do a lot of these, and when the steering wheel looks as ratty as this one looked, as most of them look that come in here, you just can't feel good about your car. And these are classic, gorgeous cars, and you want to feel good about it. So when you have a steering wheel that looks like this inside of it, you can feel good. We see even in the museums, car museums and car collector locations, that a lot of them have cracked steering wheels and they just hadn't either gotten around to it or don't know that the possibility exists. So that's what we do here at Craft Customs. Any steering wheel, any make, year, or model, we will make it new again. So reach out to us, visit craftcustoms.com, where you're going to love what you get. We guarantee it.